So dear students, today we are going to discuss about, we'll learn about dynamic programming 0/1 knapsack problem. Okay. So the same problem, knapsack problem, is available Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5. Unit 4 is greedy method. The same problem we are going to solve in greedy method. Unit 5 branch and bound techniques, the same problem, but we are going to use different techniques. Okay, in this Unit 3, we are talking about dynamic programming. So how to solve the knapsack problem, 0/1 knapsack problem using dynamic programming. So clearly, please read the question when you are written the exam, because all are knapsack problem. But the next technical terms, whether it is dynamic programming or greedy approach or branch and bound approach. So which technique we are going to solve this one? So read the question carefully when you are attending the examination. Okay, here now we are going to solve about dynamic programming. Okay, already we know that what is dynamic programming. Problems are divided into number of sub problems. If the same function or procedure or same problem is repeated, again no need to compute the same problem. We have to obtain the results from that previously stored the result of the sub problem in the table. Okay, so here 0/1 means what? 0, 1. What is 0 or 1? We have a bag. Okay, it is the bag. Knapsack means it is a bag. So the capacity of bag is 5 kg. Okay, 5 kg. So I have some items. So when I insert the weight in the bag, it gives the maximum profit. It gives the maximum profit. Okay, that is knapsack problem. So 5 kg bag. So what is the maximum I have to fill that 5 kg of bag? That is the weight equal to 5. If I fill 2, then the remaining 3 kg is there. So this is not, either you have to fill the 5 kg, that is 1. If you are not fill the 5 kg, that is 0. Either we have to fill or not fill. Okay, if you are filled, that is 1. Okay, for filling the bags, that is, if you are earning the maximum profit, that is 1. Else you don't need to fill any weight items in the bag, that is 0. Okay, so knapsack means it's like a container or bag. Okay, so we have given some items which have some weight or profit. We are saying it is whether weight or profit. So the items, have to put some items in the knapsack bag. The total value produces a maximum profit. Okay, maximum profit. Suppose this is the 5 kg bag. I have the weight is 4. So that 4 kg I have to fill in that 5 kg of bag. So the maximum I have 4 items, weight is filled in the bag. Okay. So the weight of the container is 20 kg. Another, the same example here I said 5 kg. Another one example is 20 kg. So you have to select the items. That is, the sum of the weight of item should be either smaller than or equal to, smaller than means 0 or equal to the weight of the container, that is 20 kg. That is 1. Okay, that so that the profit should be maximum. Okay, there are two ways solving the knapsack problem. One is 0/1 knapsack problem. Another one is fractional knapsack problem. Okay. So how to solve this knapsack problem? Okay. So as I said, no. So knapsack problem is a dynamic. Now we are going to solve this 0/1 knapsack problem using dynamic programming method. Okay. So that means cannot take a fractional amount of taken package or take a person package the more than once. Okay. I said no. What is dynamic programming? The program problems are solved as sub problems. Okay. Another one example is if you pick 2 kg item. So we cannot pick 1 kg item from the 2 kg item because one is not divisible. So we have to pick the 2 kg item completely. Then it is maximum profit. Okay. So as I know, now we are going to solve that knapsack problem. So already we know that what is knapsack problem. It is a items either completely means 1 or no items 0 or filled in the knapsack problem. You have to gain the maximum profit. Okay. So it is this problem is we are going to solve by using dynamic programming concept. How to do this? How to solve this problem? Okay. So hereafter, please listen one by one. Okay. If you are missing any one places, definitely we cannot able to understand how to solve the problem. So just you travel with me. If you have any doubt, please ask your queries. Okay. Or please note your queries at the end of the class. You may ask the queries. Okay. So fractional knapsack problem means what? We can divide the item. Okay. 0/1 means we cannot divide the item. Whatever we have the item, that is we have to insert in the back. But fractional knapsack problem means if we have 3 kg pack, then we have to pick the 2 kg and leave the remaining 1 kg item. Okay, that is fractional knapsack problem. That is going to solve in that next unit greedy approach. Okay, now we are going to solve that 0/1 using knapsack problem in dynamic methods. Okay, so they are given the problem that is item. We have 4 items and each item, what is the weight? When you are filling that weight, what is the value? Profit. Okay, so these are all given in the problem. And what is the size of the bag? Weight. Total weight of the bag is 5. Okay, so these are all given in the problem. Okay, number of item and weight of each items. And when you are filling that item in the bag, what is the profit value? Okay, so this is the capacity of the bag. Okay, so now we are going to solve this dynamic programming concept by using one table method. Tabular we have to draw. From the table we have to find the values. Okay, from that values we will find finally what are the items we are inserted in the bag. We can get the more profit, maximum profit. That is our final solution. That is we are going to find now. Okay, so first we have totally how many the bag contains how many capacity 5. So you must write as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the problems you must write it is the capacity. Capacity of the bag. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here that is J. That is J. This row column is contains J. This column is I. So I is how many? 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here capacity 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is common for all the problems. If the capacity of back is 5, then 0 to 5 in the row wise. That is J. And number of items 4. So 0 to 4 is in the column wise. That is I. Okay. So the total capacity of the back is what? 5. So we have to achieve the maximum profit, high profit in that back. Which item, if you are inserted here, we can get the maximum profit. So by solving to fill this table, we are using one formula, that is V of I comma j equal to maximum of V of I minus 1 comma j, okay, comma Vi plus V of I minus 1 comma j minus Wi. Okay, where we are using this formula for this condition? If j minus Wi greater than equal to 0, for this condition we are using this formula. Else V of I minus 1 comma j, we are using this formula for j minus Wi less than 0. Okay, but every column and rows we have to fill by using this formula. That is one technique. And without this formula, there is one shortcut method is available. Without calculating the formula, the shortcut method is available. Now I will explain about that shortcut method to fill this table column. And also I will explain by using this formula how to fill that table. Okay. So both method I will explain that. Please listen it carefully. So first we have to draw the table. Okay. In that table we have 5, weight is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And column we have 4 elements. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is I. That is J. Okay. Next. Next one. The first row, first column. Okay. The value is always should be 0. First row, first column for all the problems. Okay. The values, it should be 0 for all the problems. Okay. Not only for this one. You have to fill this one. Okay. So next one, we have to fill the remaining. So next one, we have to fill the remaining rows and columns. Okay. So how to fill the remaining rows and columns? So I will explain the method, shortcut method. Okay. So now as I filled each rows and columns, okay, each rows and column as 0. Okay. Then you have to assign the item and the value. Okay, item, weight and value to the particular rows and columns. So how to do this one? Okay. See here, this is item 1, item 2, that is 3, 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the corresponding weight and value. What is that? Weight 4. So that weight is right here, W1 equal to 4. And the values B1 equal to 10. Okay. The second item 3. Okay. And the value is 20, B2. Next B3. Okay, B3, and the corresponding value is B3 equal to 15. Next one 5. So the weight of 5 is 4, and the weight of this one is B4 equal to 25. You note this one. Okay. So that this one you have to assign. Okay. So this step is clear. Okay. Next one. First we have to fill that table. How to fill that table? So here the capacity of back is 1, but we have the capacity, that is weight is 4. We cannot hold 4 in the capacity 1 kg back. Yes. So for that 0. Okay. Next capacity of back is 2. That is, we are divided that 5 kg, we are divided into number of sub problems. Okay. So that is dynamic programming concept. We are divided. This is one sub problem. This is another. This is another. This is another one. So 2 kg back. We cannot hold the weight of 4. Yes. Because the weight capacity of back is 2 kg, but weight is 4. How it is possible 4 kg insert in 2 kg back? Cannot be possible. So for that also you have to give the value is 0. Next 3. For 3 also we have the capacity back is 3, but already we have the weight is 4. So it is not possible 4 kg weight insert into 3 kg. So it is also 0. Okay. Next 4. So 4 kg back, we have 4 kg weight. So yes, it is possible to insert 4 kg to 4 kg capacity. Now the corresponding value, what is the value? 10. That is you insert here. Corresponding value you insert here. Okay. 5 kg back, weight is 4 kg. Yes, it is possible to insert 4 kg into 5 kg. That time, what is the previous value? 10. So the same value you have to hold here. Okay. So now we are completed 1 rows. Okay. We are completed 1 rows. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? So here capacity 1 kg, but weight is 4 kg. Cannot be hold 4 kg into 1 kg. It is not possible. So the value is 0. Okay. 2 kg also not possible for 4 kg. Not possible, 0. 3 kg also not possible for 4 kg. So it is also a 0. And 4 kg is possible to insert 4 kg weight. So the corresponding value 10 you have to insert here. Fifth one is 5 kg back, capacity back. It is possible to insert 4 kg. Okay. So what is that 4 kg previously filled? 10. So the same value we have to insert in that next row also, 10. Okay. Next, we will fill the second row. How to do it? That is, as I already filled 10. Okay. Next, we will fill the next. Is 1, but your weight is 3. Because 1 kg capacity, we cannot hold 3 kg weight, so it is 0. 2 kg also hold 3 kg weight, so it is also 0. For 3 kg, it is possible to corresponding value. So 20 we got to write here.
Number then
Second stage, that time you have to consider the previous case also. That time you have to consider the previous. Already 4 kg value is 10, but we have to write the 10. Okay, but here we must write the maximum value of the previous maximum. Compared to 2010, right, minimum value here. Maximum value is 20, so 20 you must fill here.
ఎందుకు దొంగలే
Hello, hello, check. Hello. So those who are not interested in the class, please leave in that classroom. Don't disturbance to others. Okay. So once this session is completed, again you have to join immediately for the same ID. Okay, because this is the big problem we cannot solve within 40 minutes. Okay, once this session is completed, again you have to join the same session immediately. Okay. So next, the 4 kg, that time you have to consider the previous also. When you are solving this row, that time you have to consider this and this row also. Okay. So 4 kg of black, already 4 kg weight is filled. The value is 10. We cannot insert the value 10 here because compared to previous one, it is maximum value. Okay. So we cannot write 10 here. So the 20 again you must write here. Just 5 kg. So already for 5 kg, 4 kg is there, 3 kg is there. Okay. So when we are filling 5 kg capacity, okay, we have to consider the previous also. It is 4 kg. Okay. Now it is 3 kg. For 4 kg 10, we cannot write 10 because already the value is 20. Okay. So 3 kg is 20. This value also 20. So maximum value. Okay. That is 20. Okay. Suppose here 30, you must write 30 here. Maximum value. The maximum value you have to fill in the next rows. Okay. So now second row completed. Next we will see in that third row. Okay. The third row also similar to same. It is weight is 2 kg. Here capacity 1. Is it possible? 1 kg capacity weight in a pack. Is it possible to insert 2 kg? No, impossible. So the value is 0. Okay. For 2 kg bag, 2 kg is possible. That time you have to consider the previous also. Here 2 kg back. So 2 kg of item we have to fill it. So 15. Okay. Next 3 kg back. Okay. Have to fill that weight. That time you have to consider previous sub problem also. Here 4 kg, here 3 kg. So 3 is filled for 3. So the value is 20. So that 20 is you have to fill here. Okay. Next 4 kg back. So 4 kg back value is 10. You cannot write 10 here because that time can compare with the previous value row. This 20, it is minimum value. So minimum value cannot be right. So 20. So that same value you must write here also. Okay. Next 5 kg back. 5 kg capacity back. Okay. 5 kg means, so now it is 4 kg, it is 3 kg weight, this is 2 kg weight. So which number, which weights we are adding to get 5 kg? 3 plus 2. Yes, 3 plus 2 we are adding, we can get that 5 kg. So the value of 3 is 20. The value of weight of 3 is, item 3 is 15. So 20 plus 15, what is that? 35. 35. Okay. So that is the value. Compared to this one, this is maximum value, higher, greater value. So that is row 3 we are completed. Okay. So that is answer is for 15 to 15 only. For comparing 3, so already we have 3 kg weight capacity. So that is fully hold for 3 kg capacity. So the weight is 20. You have to fill the weight. When you are solving this one, okay, when you are solving that this problem, you have to consider the previous also, that weight capacity back also. Okay. And so this is 35. Okay. Now, so now let's see about how to fill the 4th row. Okay. 4th row. So as I said, no. So here capacity is 1. Okay. But here the weight is 5 kg. 5 kg cannot hold in 1 kg. 0. Okay. So here the capacity is, so each time you have to check in the previous also. So when you are filling the time, you check it previous, this one and this one and this one. Okay. There is no weight 1 kg weight here. It is 4, it is 3, it is 2. So there is no 1 kg capacity back we have. So when we are dividing the problem, 1 kg back we cannot hold a 5 kg weight. So it is 0. When you are going for 2 kg capacity, so the time you have to check previous weight also. So where is it? It is 4 kg, 3 kg, it is 2 kg. So 2 kg weight capacity back we have. So for filling 2, what is the weight of this item 3? The value is 15. So that 15 you must write here. 15, the value of 15 you must write here. For 3 kg capacity, you check it. 3, it is 3. 4, it is 3. 3, it is occupied 3. So every time you have to check the previous problem also, previous result. Okay, when you are solving this one, the 3 kg capacity back, already it is solved or not. If it is solved, you take the value. Okay, it is stored in the table. You take the value. and you have to use for here also. No need to compute again. That technique is called dynamic programming. Okay, the technique is dynamic programming. Okay, so next one here 4. Okay, here already 4 kg capacity back is there. So if it is 4 kg capacity, then the value is 10. Okay, we cannot write 10 here. Why? Why? What is the reason? We cannot write the same value 10 here because, okay, the previous value is 20. This value is minimum. We have to write the maximum value. Okay. So for 4 kg remaining, we don't have any 4 kg back. So that time the same value you must write here. 20. Okay. Same value. Okay. Just I will explain that. Okay. Again, this class is over. Again, you have to join again immediately. Okay. I will explain one more time. And next 5 kg pack, we have 5 kg capacity. Okay, 25 is one answer. Value is 25 is one answer. And another 2 weights are there. 3 plus 2 is also 5 kg. That is also I can hold in the 5 kg capacity. 3 plus 2. So the value of 3 plus 2 is 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15. What is that total value? 35. So now you compare this 35 with the 25, which is the maximum value? 35. So 35 you must write here. Okay, 35 you must write here. Okay. So that is, this is the way you have to fill that rows and columns. Okay, this is a simple method. By using formula, you have to find each time I value, this is J value, this is the I value and weight value, everything you have to calculate and you have to put the same value. So next class, I will explain about, this is 3, this is 4. C of 3 comma 4. C of 3 comma 4 by using the formula, how we are getting the value 20, same answer 20, how we are getting this answer by using the recursion formula. Okay, that I will explain in that next class. Okay, so thank you to all.